Township Entrepreneur Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekas.
Hi, I'm Theo Baloyi, marketing and PR specialist for Delivery Speed. We are currently based in Clearwater, Rudaport. Our business is a logistics and courier company that delivers throughout the whole of South Africa. But we also have retail spots called collection points in Sosha, Polokwane, and Soweto. We started off in the townships back in 2021 as a food delivery business and pivoted last year into a fully owned logistics company. What makes us different, I would say, is that we target the niche market, the township economy, but also our business strategy is structured around small businesses. Township addresses where the big guys say they can't locate, where you stay or something like that. Our current business offering for our collection points that are in Social, Polokwane, and Soweto, we offer printing services, scanning, copying, all that document work. But also we can, renew your vehicle disc license as well. You can come and collect your parcels there. You can use our points as a delivery address as well. If, you live in the outskirts where they say they can't come and deliver to you, but also you can also use us as a courier option as well. Hi, I'm Theo Baloyi from Delivery Speed, and I am a township entrepreneur.